In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email as a PDF on Gmail or Outlook. This is really useful if you want to keep a permanent copy of an important message, attach it to another document, or share it with someone who doesn't need access to your inbox. Let's start with Gmail. First, open your browser and sign into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, click on the email you want to save so it opens in full view. Make sure the entire message is visible, including any previous replies that you want included in the PDF. Now look toward the top right of that email. You'll see a small printer icon, or you can open the three-dot menu and choose the print option from there. This won't actually print your email right away. Instead, it opens the print preview window. In that new window, find the destination or printer section and click it. From the list that appears, choose Save as PDF instead of a physical printer. Before you save, take a moment to review the preview on the screen. Check that all the content you need is visible, including the subject line, sender, date, and any important parts of the conversation. You can also adjust layout settings like portrait or landscape, and the number of pages if that's available. When everything looks good, click the Save button. Your browser will then ask you where to store the file on your computer. Pick a folder you'll remember. Give the file a clear name and confirm to save it. Now, let's do the same thing in Outlook. Open Outlook in your browser or desktop app and sign in if you haven't already. Go to your inbox and open the email you want to convert. Just like with Gmail, make sure the full message is expanded, especially if it's part of a longer thread. Next, look for the print option. In the web version, this is usually under the three-dot menu or the More Actions menu. In the desktop app, you can often go to File, then Print. When the print screen appears, choose Save as PDF as your printer or destination. Again, check the preview to confirm that the email looks correct and that all the details you need are included. When you're happy with it, click Save. Select your folder, name the file, and save it. Once that's done, your email is safely stored as a PDF, ready to share, archive, or attach wherever you need it.